Today, you'll discover the American accent secret. No rules, no confusion, just real sound. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Here we go.
Liam, can I ask you something very honest? What's the real secret behind the American accent?
Of course, Emma. The secret isn't sounds first. It's how words connect in real speech.
Connect? What do you mean by that?
In English, words are not islands. They're a continuous sound.
So it's not just about pronunciation?
Exactly. It's about rhythm, linking, and flow.
Wow, so copying individual sounds isn't enough?
Not really. If you speak word by word, the accent breaks.
Why does this happen to me? I know the words, but I still freeze.
Because your brain is stopping between words. You think, translate, pause, then speak.
Yes, it feels like traffic in my head.
And that traffic kills rhythm. Accent lives in rhythm.
So my problem isn't my mouth.
No, your mouth follows the rhythm your brain creates.
Wow, so when I hesitate, I lose the flow?
Exactly. Native speakers don't reset after every word.
So they slide through sentences?
That's it. They connect sounds naturally.
Is that why they sound confident?
Yes, connection creates confidence.
And when I speak slowly and carefully?
Your speech sounds separated, correct but disconnected.
That hurts my accent, even if my grammar is right?
It does. Disconnected speech sounds foreign.
Wow, that's a big shift for me.
Most learners were trained to separate words. School English is very stop and go.
Was everything taught in isolation?
Yes, real English is the opposite. It's continuous sound.
So what should I focus on instead?
Connected speech. How words lean on each other.
Can you explain that simply?
Sure. In real speech, words reduce, blend, and link.
Like one long sound?
Exactly. Not fast, connected.
Wow, that already sounds different.
And that's why natives sound smooth, not because they know more words.
So fluency isn't vocabulary size?
No, it's how naturally words flow together.
That makes so much sense.
When words connect, your brain relaxes. No constant stopping.
And less stopping means less fear, right?
Right. Flow reduces anxiety.
So when I pause a lot,
Your brain is breaking the chain.
the chain of sound?
Exactly. English is a sound chain.
Wow, I've never heard it explained like this.
Once you see it, everything changes.
How do natives learn this?
They don't think about it. They absorb rhythm from day one.
Through listening?
Through reacting, listening, and responding without stopping.
So they don't build sentences piece by piece.
No, they release speech in chunks of sound.
Chunks again, but now as sound, not words.
For sure. Sound chunks, not vocabulary lists.
That explains why they sound fast.
They're not rushing. They're not separating.
Wow, so speed is an illusion.
It's smoothness.
And smoothness comes from connection.
Yes, connected speech is the accent.
What about mistakes then? Don't they break the flow?
Not really. Stopping breaks flow more than mistakes.
So silence is worse than errors.
Much worse. Silence kills rhythm.
That hits hard.
Most learners go silent to avoid mistakes.
And that freezes their accent.
Exactly.
So what should daily practice look like?
Speak in connected reactions, out loud.
Even alone?
Especially alone. No pressure, no judgment.
Like reacting to videos?
Yes. Pause and respond naturally.
Without planning?
Without translating. Just react.
That feels scary, but lighter.
That's comfort growing.
And comfort improves accent?
Automatically. Accent follows comfort.
Wow, this really changes everything.
That's the shift from control to flow.
If I remember one thing,
Don't separate words. Connect them.
stop translating, right?
For sure.
Thank you, Liam. I feel ready to speak now.
Good. Speak imperfectly, but connected.
This idea of connection is still echoing in my head. Did I really miss that accent lives between words?
Yes. Most people miss that because they focus on isolated sounds.
Like when I practice one word again and again?
Exactly. But English doesn't work word by word in real life.
So it's more like a melody than separate sounds?
Perfect comparison. Accent is musical, not mechanical.
And when I try to pronounce every word very clearly,
You break the melody.
wow, so clarity can actually hurt my accent?
Too much clarity, yes. Natural speech is slightly blurred.
That explains why natives swallow sounds,
They're not swallowing, they're connecting.
like linking the end of one word to the next.
Exactly. Sound wants continuity
And when I stop, my accent sounds heavy.
because the rhythm collapses.
This makes me rethink practice completely.
That's good. Practice should train flow, not perfection.
So instead of repeating words,
Repeat reactions.
reactions?
Yes. How are you? I'm good. All as one movement.
Not as separate blocks.
Right. One breath, one flow.
That already feels more American.
Because it is.
And this also explains confidence, right?
Yes. Flow gives you no time to doubt.
Doubt comes from stopping.
Exactly.
So the moment I stop, I think.
And the moment you think, you translate.
And translation breaks rhythm.
You got it.
Wow, it's all connected.
Just like the speech itself.
So my goal isn't to sound perfect,
It's to stay connected,
even if grammar slips.
especially if grammar slips.
That feels rebellious.
Natural speech often is.
So Americans sound relaxed because they allow imperfection.
Yes, they protect flow over rules.
And flow protects confidence, right?
Exactly.
This makes me want to speak more.
That's the best sign.
Even 5 minutes a day reacting out loud?
That's enough. Consistency builds rhythm.
So not vocabulary lists.
Not vocabulary lists.
And not isolated sounds either?
Not isolated sounds.
Just connection?
Connection first. Accent follows.
I feel like my mindset just shifted.
That's how real progress starts.
Thank you for this. It feels simple but deep.
The best truths usually are.
I'm done chasing perfection.
Good. Chase flow instead.
I will. starting today.
Then your accent is already improving. And if you want to build this habit step by step, watch the video about Speak English Daily. It shows exactly how to practice every day without pressure.
See you there.
Bye!